I got started at a young age. My grandma always tells a story of her coming to visit me one day, and she found me in the garage in my jumper, watching my dad work. That's pretty much where it started, and all growing up I was either playing with cars or in the shop watching my dad until I got old enough to start getting hands-on. This car came into my life because my sister's cat went missing one day. Our neighbor that we'd lived next to for 10 years had it sitting in his garage buried in computers. He was the original owner. He bought it in '67 out of Arlington, Virginia. And so I'm the second owner of the car, which you don't see that much or hear that often, so I'm pretty proud of that. This car is a 1967 Pontiac Le Mans. It went through well over 1,000-hour frame-off rotisserie restoration. Overall, it was in pretty good shape. We still have to do a lot of rust work because it's a typical Iowa car. The first thing that people notice when they come up to the car is that all of the chrome and stainless on the car has been painted. There was countless hours worth of body work put into this. All the gaps were done right. Everything flows right into every panel. It was sprayed in Axalta Mosaic. It's Victory Red. And all of the trim that was painted is a PDC Chrysler color, and it's all in semi-gloss to match the wheels. The exhaust was a fully custom bent exhaust from a professional muffler shop in town. It's got QTP electric dumps. The wheels are US Mag Ramblers wrapped with Nitto NT555. Underneath the hood, we've got a Pontiac 400. It was bored over to a 408. Everything besides the crank is new in this. It's got a big cam in it. It's got a quick fuel 650 black diamond carburetor on it. It's a Frostbite Radiator. The bumpers have been shaved. The paint on the chrome and the stainless is PDC Chrysler from Axalta Mosaic brand. All the sides have been debadged and de-chromed. There should be chrome around both front and rear wheel openings. There should be chrome on the rockers. All that's gone. The Le Mans badging on the quarters gone, and all of the stainless around the windows. Every single piece of that should be chrome on this car has been stripped down, sanded, body worked, and painted. And that's what kind of sets it out. It's always fun at shows to see who picks up on that and who doesn't. After it got painted, it went through 100 hours of wet sanding and buffing to get that mirrored finish that we were looking for, or that I was looking for, and that's kind of how I compare my car to other people's cars, is wet sanding and buffing, what the image looks like. We didn't have to do anything major to the body panels on this car. They were all pretty straight. We put new fender bottoms on. The wheel arches on both quarters were rotten. And then behind the wheel on both sides where that stainless was rotten. The interior is all original. The only thing we changed in here is the carpet and the headliner, and that's just strictly because of mouse damage. The seats, both front and rear door panels, the dash pad, all the wood grains, all original. The only thing that's not original is that tach gauge underneath the radio there. I've got a lot of little cleanup stuff I want to do. The paint itself is good to go. It just needs buff. Gas tank will get dropped because I want to paint it to match the trim. I would like to put disc brakes in the rear because right now it's drum brakes, so I need to switch over to the SSB disc brakes to match the fronts. And that's pretty much it. Just a lot of cleaning, a lot of detail work.